What's up, guys? Welcome back. A Pokemon. We don't do too many Pokemon. I think like there's a lot of YouTube tutorials for Pokemon. I don't think there's any. I never think there's any point doing it. But someone was requesting Rayquaza a lot, like over and over and over and over and over and over again. And they said in the coolest pose possible. So I tried my best. I don't think anyone's drawn him in this pose, so it might be worth doing. Just because there's no video of this. There's no tutorial of this, at least, I think. So let's try. Landscape page, pencil eraser, hit pause if I go too fast. So I'm going to start with Rayquaza's eyes. So it's kind of like head down, kind of like Shenron from Dragon Ball a little bit. So I'm going to start with the sort of pointy eyebrow thing. So his head, he's looking up with his head down. So we'll go down this way, right? Curving in. It's kind of bendy line. Do the same on the other side. So then the eyeballs are kind of in here. So they go down and into there. Same on the other side again. And then gold eyes there. Their pupils there. So this kind of goes into his head, right? So it kind of like goes there, and then you get like another sort of eyebrow, the other side of the eyebrow, just sort of going around that way. And then his face. So face shape comes down, kind of a pointy nose or pointy snout kind of a thing here. And then his bottom lip. Curves up to there. So we do have some teeth poking out, kind of pink teeth and white teeth. So I think the white teeth are here at the front. And then there's some ones at the back. Just at the back here, like that. And then we have teeth in the bottom of his mouth as well. And it just curves around like so. I think these teeth are pink, so these are the white ones, the fangs. So then he has like fins coming out of his head. So big ones here first. And then it's got a bit of a curve to it. And then it goes into his head back here. Okay, and then two coming out the side of the head here as well. Okay, so then he's like a snake body with different sections, right? So, so we'll go for the first section, right? Just up here. Excuse me. And then this kind of goes around like a tube. So in this next part is the part with the arms, right? So it goes up. And it has fins and stuff on it as well. It's kind of complicated. So it's like it comes down. like that. And there's a shoulder here. So it's like a little ball and socket joint shoulder. And then the body continues to connect down into here. And this has a little edge line like that. So then before I do the fins, we'll get like this long section curving down that way. And then there's like another fin section, and then his body goes underneath here. So like it swoops around this way to the tail, which is over here somewhere. And there's like fins here, an arm there. Maybe we'll do the fin section on this part of his body. Right, so you get like another one kind of just wrapping around here. And there's like fins and stuff on this as well. So there's like a fin sticking out here. And a fin here. And a fin out here. These have pink on top of them as well. So it's like a double line. So you go up, around. You go around each one again. I think I can see a little pink fin out here as well. And then it goes around this way. And then it comes underneath. Then curve it. And then this is the next fin section. So there's like a fin here. Fin here. Then you continue his long part of his body that has the yellow circles on it and stuff. And then we get to another fin section there. It's like it has handles or something. All right, so then all fins on this again. I think his claw covers some of this, but I'll draw it in anyway, and we can erase it afterwards if his hand comes over. Right, and then just the tail section then, I think. So we go down. And then like so, and there's like a little spike sticking out here. Spikes there. And little pink edges on the tail. Okay, so there's just some fins up here, his arms, and then all that yellow stuff. So let's try these fins here. One that way, then another one sticking off the back here. And then his arms. So his arm kind of goes that way. Like a little elbow joint connection there or something. And then claws. So like a claw sticking out here behind his head. Then another one going this way. Then another one here. And then his other arm, just coming out this way. Up, down, get a claw on it here. And then two more claws, bumping around. Like so. And then what's left is all those yellow symbols, right? So he's got like those circles that go up and down his back, basically. The big one on the head. Okay, and this has an inside section. And then they're all connected, right? So we go up, out, that way, up, out, that way, and then down. Where does this go then? So I think it goes around here, then around that way, down. Like so, and then all these circles and stuff all coming down this way. Alrighty, so Rayquaza in the coolest pose possible. I don't know if it is the coolest pose possible, but it was, you know, there's so many Rayquaza tutorials. I just picked one that like hasn't been drawn yet, basically. So hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.